Hello guys, I'm Rajiv and welcome back to my channel RajivCodeLab. So guys, in today's lab, we are going to control the LED and read the temperature sensor value using Node-RED dashboard. So guys, for this project, we are going to use Raspberry Pi Pico W and Node-RED. And if you are new to this channel, please do watch the previous videos because those are the prerequisite for this one. And in this video basically we are going to set up a nice interface, okay, like we are going to create the buttons, we are going to add the gauze, and then using that we are going to publish and subscribe to our MQTT topics. Okay, so let's come to the PC and get it started. Okay guys, so let me start the Thorny, and guys, we are going to continue with the same code. If you have not watched the previous video, so just click on I button and do watch, because this is the where we have explained each and everything. Okay, so here now we are going to basically use the Node-RED dashboard to controlling the LED, and also we will see the temperature sensor value in a gauze, okay, in the same dashboard. Okay, so let's get it started. And guys, if you see like IP address, let me just verify whether it's got change or it's the same. Okay, so IP config, and yeah, it got changed because I have restarted my router, so that's why I need to just change this. Okay, and just deploy. Okay, so everything is fine. Now let's open the Node-RED. So okay, Node-RED, fine, it's running on 1883, sorry, 1880. Let me just copy and open the browser, and here you have to come, not right now. So this is the previous flow, if you remember guys. So for basically the dashboard, what is the step? You need to just come Node-RED dashboard, and if you see here, so you can see this palette manager, right? You can see this command. Okay, so you need to just copy this and come here, then click on this, and then here you will see manage palette. So here you need to just search. Okay, so once I search, you can see I have already added this one, so I can see there is some update version, so I can just update. Okay, so for you, you will see the install option. Okay, so just click on that and you can use. Okay, so everything is fine. Now for basically the dashboard, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the new flow. Okay, so let me just double click here. Okay, so I have created this new flow, and then what you have to do is you need to scroll down. Okay, and then you will have a section for the basically dashboard. Okay, dashboard 2. So here what we have to do, since we are going to control 2 LEDs, so I'm going to take this button group node. Okay, so in this I'm just making it as like a red LED. Okay, and this one is the basically group name which will be displayed on the UI. I will show you. Okay, so and then I will change later. Okay, so the label would be like let's say red LED, and here we need to just add two options for on and off. So we need to click this, and here I'm typing as on, and let it be icon is not required, and number I'm putting as a for on 1, and for off again this I will change to number and putting as a 0. Okay, now make it done. Now what I have to do is, let me just duplicate the same thing here. Okay, I will just change this to the green, and green LED, here also green LED, and rest thing would be the same. Okay, now basically guys, we are going to once we click the button, so we need to trigger, I mean we need to publish that. Okay, so for that again we are going to take the MQTT out. Okay, and we need to connect this, and here again we need to do the same thing. So for the red LED, let's come here and see the topic name. We just need to copy paste. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, and here I can say like red LED pub. Okay, fine. And again let me just copy this. Okay, and here I'm going to change the topic name also would be the green. You can just validate here. Okay, green, and rest thing is fine, and here I'm just renaming this to green. Okay, we need to make the connection, and what we need to do is we need to just deploy. Okay, now the next step what we have to do is you need to just take this part, come here and type dashboard. Okay, and here you can see, okay, like both the button we can see it for the red and green. So we are going to just trigger first and we'll see in the log. Okay, so just let me stop and restart because so many logs are there, so it's difficult to see. Now let me just turn on red LED, and here, yeah, receive topic message 1, and this is fine. And also let me just, this is fine. Okay, now again if I do for the green, perfect. Let me turn off. Okay, so let me just focus the camera to the LED. Okay, so let me just turn on red, and you can see again I'm going to turn on green. You can see now I'm turning this off, then again off. Yeah, perfect. So now let's add quickly the gauze. So now I'm going to add the gauze, so you can see where, yeah, and for this one I can keep the name as temperature, and this we can modify. Okay, this one we'll see, and like the half gauze or I mean full, I mean the 3x4 gauze, that we can see later. Okay, so first let's let it be default, and let's subscribe basically. Okay, so for that let me again add MQTT in. Okay, and here I'm going to just use the topic for this temperature, and here we have this one. Okay, 0, and let's say, and here I'm giving them a subscription for the sub, and we are good. Okay, now if you come here you will see the gauze. Okay, with the temperature reading, you can see it keeps changing. Perfect. I hope you like the video, guys. If you really like, consider supporting me by just buying me a coffee on my Buy Me Coffee page, and also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.